That's a baby with a gun. Baby with a gun. I'm calling the police. They hung up. It's a baby with a gun. Comfort eating. That's just sugar. Oh, it's a baby with a gun. Baby with a gun! Who sent you? Was it Brian? I'll buy him a new turtle. Does my life insurance cover babies with guns? Oh, really? Get out! How about we trade? Okay, I'll give you this, and you give me that. Now, isn't that better? Oh, I'm really stupid. Oh, it's not nice, is it? No, huh? I'm a man with a gun. What are you? You're a baby with a gun. You're nothing. I'm sorry, that was mean. You don't deserve that. You're young. Just take mine. Oh, no, it's a baby with 2 guns. Where's the baby? There's the baby. Why don't you leave? Get out of my house! I'm hiding in the fridge now. You know, I kind of want him to shoot me. So when God's like, oh, hey, Tom, how did you die? I can be like, I don't know, God, maybe I was shot by a baby with a gun! Don't laugh at me. I'm sick. You're a sick baby with a gun. Yeah, not easy, is it? Not easy to hit a moving target. You have to leave. Oh, look at this little baby. Oh no, it's got a gun! I have to move.